Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my 7th lesson of D3, chapter number 8, exercise 8D, that is about the cosine law. In this class, we'll be learning and discussing question number 11, intermediate level. Let's first read the question from the book. Question 11 says, the figure shows the quadrilateral with the dimensions as shown. In this figure, the vertex A is marked and it has a 92 degree angle. Then the length 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and the diagonal is A centimeter. And then we have the length 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter and unknown angle theta in the lower triangle. And the requirements of the question are that we have to find length A, and the second is the value of angle theta. So let's move to the solution of the question one by one. In order to find the value of A, you can see that A is the diagonal of this quadrilateral, and due to this diagonal, the quadrilateral has divided into triangles. Let me mark the vertices. Suppose this is A, B, and C and D. If we look at the triangle A, B, and D, we can see that two sides and included angle is given, so we can easily find value of length A by using cosine law. So let's move to the solution of this question. For the first part, we have to take a triangle. In triangle, now what we have to do, we have to replace the values, and this is A square equals to B has the value 6 square plus 5 square minus 2 into 6 into 5, 2 into 6 into 5, and cos of angle 92 degrees. This is 36 plus 25, and 6 5s are 32 is 60, or minus 60, and cos 92 degrees is minus 0.0348 or 49. Now what we have to do, look, this minus sign, when will be multiplied by minus sign, it will become positive. 6 and 5 is 11, 3 plus 2 5, 6. Okay, 35, 36 plus 25, 61, and this is 60 multiplied by 0.0349 gives me 2.094. Now what we have to do, we have to add 61 to this, and this gives me 63.094. So A will be equal to square root 63.094. Now what we have to do, we have to take the square root of this answer, and that is 7.94 and centimeter. C actually is which is the requirement of the question, that is 7.94. So let me write over here as well, 7.94. The first requirement is done, and the second is the value of theta. We have to find theta. So in order to find theta, which triangle? I have to take the triangle BDC. So let me first draw the figure over here. BDC triangle. Okay, this is B, D to B side, and this is my side, C to B. This is C, this is B, this is D, and A we just have found 7.94. This is C, and unknown marked here is theta. This is 7 centimeter, and this is 5 centimeter. Now look, we are given with all three sides. So in order to find value of theta, we have to take triangle BD and C, or in triangle BC and D. In triangle BCD, now we need to find angle C. So C square will be equal to C square will be equal to, this is D, this is B, B square plus D square minus 2 BD and cos of angle C, or which is theta. Cos of angle C is theta. So C has the value 7.94. 7.94 square equals to, B has a value 5 square. 5 square plus 7 square minus 2 into 5 into 7 and cos of angle C, which is cos theta. Now 7.94 square, 7.94 square gives me 63.0436 equals to 25 plus 49 minus 10, 7s are 70 cos theta. Now 25 plus 49 is 74, 74 minus 70 cos theta, and this is 63.0436. Subtract or bring 74 to other side. 63.043, 63.0436. Okay, 0436 minus 74 equals to minus 70 and cos theta. Okay, 74 minus 63.0436. This gives me minus 10.9564 equals to minus 70 cos theta. Minus sign goes with minus sign, and cos theta equals to 10.9564 upon 70, or theta equals to cos inverse of 10.9564 upon 70, cos inverse 10.9564 divided by 70 and close the bracket, and this gives me 80.9 degrees, 80.9 degrees, or theta equals to approximately 81 degrees. I hope you are clear about this question, and let's move to the next question. And next question is question number 16. Let me first read the question from the book. Question 16 says, in triangle ABC, A to B is 8 centimeter, B to C is 5 centimeter, C to A is 6 centimeter. Then BC is extended or produced to R such that CR is 3 centimeter. First requirement of the question is that we have to express cos BCA in form of P over Q, where P and Q are integers, and then finally we have to find the length of AR. Okay, let's move to the solution of the question and let's discuss each part one by one. The first requirement is that we have to express cos B, C and A in terms of P over Q. Okay, so first of all, in order to find the expression for cos BCA, we have to take triangle ABC. So let me draw the figure here. In triangle ABC, A, B and C, and try to understand the question. That question is not asking for the value of angle C. He is just asking the expression for cos BCA. So we will not be finding the value, exact value of angle in degrees. We will just be finding the fraction A, B and C. This is length A, and which is 5 centimeter. This is B, 6 centimeter, and this is C, and which is 8 centimeter. Now what we have to do, we have to find the expression for BCA. So it means we are given with 3 lengths only, so we have to apply cosine law. C square will be equal to A square plus B square minus 2 times AB, and cos of angle C. Okay, now C has the value 8. 8 square equals to, A has the value 5. 5 square plus 6 square minus 2 into 5 into 6, and cos C or cos BCA will be as it is. That is the requirement of question. 8 square is 64 equals to 25 plus 36 minus 5 times 2 is 10, 6, 60, and cos C. Now look, 25 plus 36, 25 plus 36 is 6 and 5, 11, 61. 61, 6 and 5, 11, 61 minus 60 cos C. And now what we have to do, that we have to shift 61 to other side. 64 minus 61 equals to minus 60 cos C. Okay, 64 minus 61 is 3 equals to minus 60 cos C. 60 cos C. Okay, and now in order to get value of cos C will be equal to, I'm shifting this 60 to other side, minus 3 by 60 or minus 1 by 20. Now if we look at the question was saying that express cos BCA. So cos or cosine BCA will be equal to minus 1 by 20, and we will be leaving our working at this stage because that is the requirement of the question. We are not going to find the angle of in the degree measure for vertex C. Now moving to the second part. Second part says that we have to find length AR. In order to find length AR, what we have to do, which triangle we have to take? We have to take the triangle ACR. AC and R. Let me draw the figure at this place. This is A, this is C, and this is R. This is R, and let me join these two vertices. Okay, now this is 3, this is R, and this is 6 centimeter. Now look, again we are given with two sides and included angle cos BCA, which is this angle, we are given with minus 1 by 20. So if we want to find cos of ACR will be equal to minus time minus 1 by 20, and it will become positive 1 by 20. Now in order to find length AR, I am going to take the triangle ACR, AC and R. This is C, which is the requirement of question. C square will be equal to what? This is A square and plus R square minus 2 into AR and cos AC and R. ACR, and then C square will be equal to, A has the value 3 square plus 6 square minus 2 into 3 into 6 into cos ACR has a value 1 by 20, positive 1 by 20. I hope you are clear that why we are making it positive, because we are subtracting it from 180 degree. This is the cosine of obtuse angle. So this will become 9 plus 36, and now look, this is 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 by 20, 36 plus 9 is 45, 36 plus 9, 45 minus 36 divided by 20, and this gives me 1.8. take away 1.8 from 45 minus 45, this is 43.2 c square, and then what we have to do, we have to take the square root of 43.2, and this gives me 6.5. Let me check the answer. 6.57. 6.57 is the answer for the second part. 6.57 c. Okay, and then c actually is AR equals to 6.57 centimeter. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.